Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Aditi Gupta and I am connected with you today through YouTube. Today I'll be sharing with you an ancient Hawaiian technique which is very useful if you are not able to find out why a certain problem, a certain issue, a certain challenge is recurring in your life, is happening again and again with you, or if there is a problem or challenge in your life which is consistent, which is chronic. This technique breaks the patterns in you which are responsible or which are the reason for your issue or your challenge. This technique is particularly helpful if you do not know what particular pattern of yours is causing this problem. Dr. Stan Hugh said a few words about this problem, this technique. He said that this technique is basically an appeal to this divinity, to this universe, to find out that pattern which is responsible for your issue and break that pattern. Now, what is this technique? This technique is HOPONOPONO. What do you have to do in this? First of all, you have to keep in mind the particular challenge or issue for which you are seeking the solution. And then you have to repeat 4 sentences. And these 4 sentences are directed towards this universe. These 4 sentences are: I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. These sentences have to be said in the same order in which I just said. The order has to be the same. You cannot change the order. Secondly, you can do this technique any time of the day, in any posture. You can say these sentences out loud, or you can say these sentences inside, like silently. If this technique will be able to solve your problem, then that means this technique has broken that pattern which was in you, which was causing that problem. If you have anything to say to me, you can comment in the comment box. My website is given in the description box. theaditigupta.com, that is theaditigupta.com. With this, I pray to the universe that it always stays with you, keeps you happy, healthy, prosperous, and may you stay close to Mother Nature always. With this prayer, this is Aditi Gupta, Life and Business Coach and Strategist, signing off. Thank you.